Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have started with exercise 5.1 and we have completed two sums for discrete data. Now we are going for the third sum, which is for continuous data. Okay, page number 196, sum number 3. The following information is obtained for time taken in completed minutes by each worker to carry out a certain job. Find Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness from this data and interpret it. Okay, in interpretation, nothing you have to write about. You have to only simply mention skewness is positive or negative. Time taken is class, number of workers is frequency. Now, first and foremost thing is to check whether mode MO is possible or not. So, the first thing is to check whether the class lengths are equal or not. Here the classes are inclusive. That is not a problem, but you have to check their difference. Okay, whenever we are checking the difference, 5 to 9, so 9 minus 5 is 4, 14 minus 10 is 4, 19 minus 15 is also 4. Okay, we cannot find class lengths like this. First we have to obtain exclusive, but we are seeing just the difference. 24 minus 20 is also 4, 29 minus 25 is also 4. Class lengths are equal. Now see the maximum frequency 8 is also one time. So here mode MO is possible. Okay. So now friends, here mode is possible. So first column will be class, second column will be workers. Now first X bar. For X bar we need column of X, then column of Fx. Then for mode, no column is required. Then for standard deviation, Fx square is required, and finally we will solve the whole sum. Skewness and coefficient of skewness does not require any special columns, but you have to think about the columns, whether mode is to be found then no column, or median is to be found then one extra column, that is CF, but that is not required. Okay, let's start. Question number 3. Time taken, it is in minutes, that is class. Number of workers, that is frequency F. We need column of X, then Fx, then Fx square, and no other column. Okay, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. 3, 8, 4, 2, 1. So let us draw the lines. Now think about the totals. Which columns requires? Class does not require. Sigma F frequency is required because that is n. Again, total of X is not required. Sigma Fx is required for mean, and sigma Fx square is required for standard deviation. Now 3, 8, 4, 2, 1. Total is 18. Now X, 5 plus 9 by 2. 7, 10 plus 14 by 2, 12, 15 plus 19 by 2, 17, 20 plus 24 by 2, 22. These are just the mid values, lower plus upper by 2, 25 plus 29 by 2, 27. Now Fx, 7 3s are 21, 12 8s are 96, 17 4s are 68, 22 into 22 into 2, 44, and 27 into 1 is 27. So 21, 96, 68, 44 and 27 is 256. Now Fx square means Fx into x. 21 sevens are 147. 12 into 96, 1152. 68 into 17, 1156. 44 into 22, 968. 27 into 27, 729. Now 147, 1152, 1156, 968, 729 is 4152. Now the measures. First measure required is mean x bar. So x bar is equals to sigma fx upon n. 256 upon 18. X bar is equals to 256 by 18, 14.22 minutes. Second thing that is required is mode MO. Now here there are classes, so we have to do two steps. First step is to decide model class. It is not model, it's model class. How to decide? MO is equals to class with maximum frequency. Okay. Class 10 to 14 has max frequency. But friends, if you see the formula of mode, we require L. L means lower boundary point, and these classes are inclusive. So we have to convert this inclusive into exclusive. So inclusive class 10 to 14 into exclusive. So what we have to do, subtract 0.5 from lower limit 9.5 and add to upper limit 14.5. Subtract from lower, add to upper. So the inclusive class will be 9.5 to 14.5. Second step, find out mode. MO is equals to L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 multiply C. Lower boundary point L is not 10 but it is 9.5 as the classes are inclusive, plus Fm means frequency of modal class. So if you don't know, we will write here. So this is Fm, this is F1 and this is F2, because the class decided is 10 to 14. Now its frequency is Fm, previous class frequency is F1 and next class is F2. So 8 minus 3 upon 2 into 8 minus 3 minus 4. Class length 14.5 minus 9.5 is 5. Actually difference is 4, but whenever we are seeing the class length, it is upper boundary point minus lower boundary point, it is 5. Why we have calculated 4? Because 10 minus 14 is 4. But if you see here 5 to 9 and 10 to 14, so in first class 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 5 values are included. Here also 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5 values. In the same way, in all there are 5 values. So class length by mistake don't write 4. We were just checking the difference. That difference is equal, but actually class length is 5. 9.5 plus 5 divided by 16 minus 3 minus 4 multiply 5. 9.5 plus 5 divided by 16 minus 3 minus 4 is 9. Multiply 5. So 9.5 plus 5 into 5 by 9. It is 2.777. So 2.78. So 9.5 plus 2.78 is 12.28 minutes. Mode M. Third, standard deviation S. S is equals to, in a square root, sigma fx square by n minus x bar whole square in square root 4152 by n 18 minus x bar square 14.22 whole square. Okay, 4152 by 18, it is 230.66667 minus 14.22 square 208 is 21. Now 230.67 minus 202.21, so in square root 28.46. Now our standard deviation will be 5.33 minutes. Now we have to check both, we have to find or one only we have to find. Okay, find Karl Pearson's coefficient of skewness only. So number 4, coefficient of skewness, that is J. J is equals to, we have found the mode, so x bar minus mo by s. But if we have found median, then 3 common, x bar minus m by s. But here we have found the mode. So 14.22 minus 12.28 upon 5.33. So 14.22 minus 12.28 is 1.94 divided by 5.33 is 0.363. So 0.36 and positive skewness. How we can know the skewness is positive or negative? On basis of answer of coefficient or of skewness. If the answers are positive, they are positive skewness. If the answer is negative, it is negative skewness. So friends, question number 3 is completed. Now going for question number 4. The students of standard 11th have collected the data about profits in crore rupees of IT companies. Find coefficient of skewness and from this data interpret it. Now in question number 4, classes are exclusive. First check the difference. 7 to 5, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17. All are having gap of 2 difference. I am not speaking about class length. Class length is also 2, but gap of 2 is there. So they are equal class length. Now maximum frequency 20 is also one time. So we can find here with mode. Okay. Question number 4. So friends, as we are finding the mode, again we are discussing the columns. Class column is given, number of companies F is given. So for mean, X we required, Fx we required. For mode, no other column is required. And for standard deviation, one extra column, Fx square. Yeah. Question number 4. Profit crore rupees. This is our class. Number of companies, it is our frequency F, we require X, Fx, Fx square. 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 9. Sorry, 15 to 17. 5, 12, 28, 3, 2. sigma f is equals to L is equals to, then sigma fx, then sigma fx square. 5, 12, 20, 8, 3, 2, 50. Now x, 5 plus 7 by 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. All the mid values, because all are see 5 to 7, then mid value is 6, 7 to 9, then it is 8, 9 to 11 it is 10. Okay. So 6 5s are 30, 12 8s are 96, 20 10s are 200, 12 8s are again 96, 14 3s are 42, 16 2s are 32, 30, 96, 200, 96, 42, 32. It is 496. Okay. Next fx square. 36 are 18. 96 into 8, 768. 200 into 10, 2000. 96 into 12, 1152. 14 into 42, 588. 16 into 32, 512. 180, 768, 2000, 1152, 588, 512. It is 5200. Okay. Now first measure mean x bar. X bar is equals to sigma fx by n. 496 by 50. So 496 by 50, 9.92 crore rupees. Number 2, mode MO. First step, decide model class. MO is equals to class with maximum frequency. Okay, maximum frequency here is 20 and its class is 911. Class with maximum frequency is 9 to 11 with frequency 20. So this will be FM, this will be F1 and this will be F2. And this is already an exclusive class. Then second step, find out mode. For that, MO is equals to L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 multiply C. Lower boundary point L is 9 plus Fm is 20, F1 is 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 8 multiplied to 2, while 11 minus 9 is 2. So 9 plus 8 divided by 40 minus 12 minus 8 into 2. 9 plus 8 by 40 minus 12 minus 8 is 20 into 2. 9 plus 8 into 2 by 20. 0.8, 9.8 crore rupees. Okay. Standard deviation S. For that, S is equals to, in the square, sigma fx square by L minus x bar square in square root 5200 divided by 50 minus 9.92 whole square. 5200 divided by 50, 104 minus 9.92 whole square, 98.406, so 41. 104 minus 98.41, 5.59 in the square root. Now answer will be 2.36 crore rupees. Now what we have to find? Only coefficient of skewness. Okay, so number 4, directly coefficient, because skewness they are not answered. Coefficient of skewness, that is J. J is equals to x bar minus MO by S. X bar is 9.92, MO is 9.8 divided by 2.36. 9.92 minus 9.8 is 0.12 upon 2.36. 0.12 upon 2.36, 0.05. It is positive skewness. Okay friends, now we are going for the 5th sum. This was our 4th sum. Now we are going for 5th sum. Fifth sum. The following frequency distribution gives the amount of annual depreciation in lakh rupees of 38 companies. Using this information, find skewness and coefficient of skewness. Here both we have to find and state the type of skewness. Okay. Now amount of depreciation. Now the data, if you are seeing, it is a mixed data because first 3 values are discrete, last 3 values are continuous, and in that also they are inclusive classes. So for a mixed data, mode is never possible. So for this data, we have to find the median. And if we are talking about the columns, first column is a mixed column, that is class also and discrete also. So we will call it as a class. Next is frequency f. Then for mean we need x values, all the values of x. So x, then fx, then fx square, and finally cf, because here median is possible, mean is not possible. Okay. Question number 5. Amount of depreciation class, and it is in lakh rupees. Then number of companies, it is frequency f. We need column of x, fx, fx square, and cf. 7, 9, 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 24, 25 to 36, 2, 3, 4, 7, 12, 20. So 2, 3, 4, 7, 12, 10. Yeah. Sigma f is equals to L sigma fx square, and CF total is not required. 2, 3, 4, 7, 12, 10, 38. Okay, here mid values will be same 7, 9 and 10. Now 11 plus 20 by 2 is 15.5. 21 plus 24 by 2 is 22.5. 25 plus 36 by 2 is 30.5. Now fx. 7 2s are 40, 9 3s are 27, 10 4s are 40. 15.5 into 7, 108.5. 22.5 into 12, 270. 30.5 into 10, 305. 14, 27, 40, 108.5, 270, 305. 764.5. Okay, fx square. 14 sevens are 98. 20 7 9s are 243. 40 tens are 400. 15.5 into 108.5 is 1681.75. 22.5 into 270, 607.5. Sorry, 6075. Sorry. 22.5 into 270 is 6075. 30.5 into 305. 30.5 into 305. 9302.5. Okay. 98, 243, 400, 1681.75, 6075, 9302.5. Okay. Total 17,800.25. Now CF. 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 9 plus 7 16 16 plus 12 is 28 plus 10 is 38. Okay, now first mean x bar is equals to sigma fx by n. 764.5 by 38. 764.5 divided by 38. 20.118, so 20.12 lakh rupees. Second step, median. Decide median class. How to decide? M is equals to. Now friends, here it is a confusion, because for discrete data M is value of n plus 1 by 2 observation, and in continuous data n by 2. So what should be now used here? We are deciding the class. Okay, these are discrete, but we are deciding the class to use n by 2 only. So class containing n by tooth observation. So class containing 38 by tooth observation. Class containing 38 by 2 means 19th observation. That we have to see in CF. 19th observation in the CF will come here in 28 and class will be 21 to 24. 19th observation is in CF 28 with class 21 to 24. Now this class is again inclusive. So inclusive class 21 to 24 into exclusive will be, we have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit and we have to add 0.5 to the upper limit. So 21 to 24 will become 20.5 to 24.5. Okay, second step. Find out median. M is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into C. Lower limit L is 20.5 plus N by 2 is 19. Cumulative frequency of previous class, this is the class decided, cumulative frequency of previous class is 16 divided by frequency of that class is decided class is 12 and class length is 24.5 minus 20.5 should be 4. And also you can check, see 21, 22, 23 and 24, 4 values. So 20.5 plus 3 by 12 into 4, 20.5 plus 1. Why 1? Because 3 into 4 is 12, 12 by 12 is 1. So the answer would be 21.5 lakh rupees of median M. After that, the third measure, that is standard deviation S. S is equals to in square root sigma fx square by n minus x bar square. Sigma fx square is 17,800.25 divided by 38 minus x bar square is 20.12 whole square. 17,800.25 divided by 38. It is 468.427 means 43 minus 20.12 whole square is 404.81. So 468.43 minus 404.81. So in square root it will be 63.62. So the answer would be 7.976. So 7.98 lakh rupees. Okay. Number 4, we have to find skewness Sk. So Sk is equals to, first time we are using the formula. So S will not be divided, and here we have found median. So 3 x bar minus m is only the formula. Because for coefficient we are dividing by S, otherwise the formula is this. So 3 common, x bar is 20.12, m is 21.5. So 3 common, 20.12 minus 21.5 is minus 1.38 into 3. So minus 4.14 lakh rupees. and here only you can decide it is negative skewness, or you can say at the time of finding coefficient also there will be negative answer only. Now last, coefficient of skewness, that is J. J is equals to 3 common x bar minus m by s. 3 common 20.12 minus 21.5 upon 7.98. So this answer is minus 4.14 because we have solved this thing divided by 7.98. So 4.14 in minus divided by 7.98. Answer is minus 0.52. From here also you can decide it is negative skewness. Okay friends, so this was the sum, and this is the sum in which we have used the skewness also including the coefficient of skewness. Comparatively, the sum is little bit lengthy, but friends, what is the benefit? That this x bar, this median and this standard deviation is the repetition of chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. So rather doing the revision, we are continuing our topics. So there are two benefits. Formulas for standard deviation, for median, for mode and for x bar are repeated, including we are studying something new. So this is very good benefit for learning this chapter of skewness. This will not be in first sem, but still you have to learn it now itself, because this is just a revision. Only the new thing is only this much. See, till here if I am saying drawing the columns, calculating the measure, no extra column for skewness or coefficient. We just have to put the formula. So in this chapter what we are learning is only this much little thing. All these things are revision of previous chapters only. So I hope you understand and take it seriously. Don't think that if this chapter is not included, we have to think it leniently. Because the conditions are such, we cannot take the exam now, so we have to go with the flow of the course. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Remaining sums will be done tomorrow.